A 24-year-old Myanmar national has been apprehended in Mizoram for possessing methamphetamine tablets worth ₹45 crore. This was informed by the Assam Rifles yesterday. Acting on the tip-off, personnel of Assam Rifles carried out an operations at Jokatar in Champai district on Mizoram-Myanmar border on Friday, it said. 1.5 lakh tablets, 15 kgs of methamphetamine worth ₹45 crore was recovered from the possessions of a Myanmar national during the operation, it said. The recovered drug and the accused were handed over to Champai police for further legal proceedings, the statement added. Earlier on Thursday, Assam Rifles and Excise and Narcotics Department also seized 40,400 tablets of methamphetamine worth ₹12.12 crore from the possessions of two Assam residents at Joche village in Champai district in Mizoram.